Are your clothes taking forever to dry? Or is your laundry room hot? Today we're going to clean our dryer vent using a drill-powered dryer vent brush. Let's get started. First, unplug the dryer. Then disconnect the vent hose. That's what we're looking for. Next, we're going to head outside, take apart the wall plate, and we're going to do the same thing out there. A lot of these are different. If you have this type, take the middle, make sure it's warm outside and not cold. Fold it in, it'll pop right out, like so. Now let's go back inside and we're going to run the brush through. Drill powered dryer lint brush. We're going to feed it in on low power, low speed, and always run clockwise. We're going to run the shop vac while we do it, so anything that flies out or falls out gets sucked up. Now we're going to reconnect the dryer hose, plug the dryer back in, and run it for a minute and see what blows out outside and make sure we got good, clean air. All right. We'll log it back in. Good, clean air.